Hello friends, in today's video we are going to be talking about how to link a PDF or any type of file in your Mailchimp. This is going to be very important when it comes to your lead magnets. So again, if someone's trying to get some type of thing or an offer that you are giving away for free, you can send an email out that has your link, so it's very easy. You do not have to think about sending an email each and every time. So we are going to hop into our Mailchimp. This video I think is fairly simple, straightforward. If not, if you do have any questions, obviously comment down below. I can go and walk you through this if you need help along those lines or answer any of those questions. Now, I have a landing page here ready, so again, we can show you exactly how this is done. You can go back and watch older videos, but what I'm looking at here is something very simple. Now, I've already created a way that they will exactly put their email in and we'll get the information. This page itself is what our email will send back to them. So it's something very simple here. I have the download button here. So what you're going to do, you can have the submit button, you can have any type of button here, but what you are going to do here, and you can already see mine has it in this option here, but you are going to highlight this section right here. As I see that, it might be a little difficult, and you're going to click off to the left side where it has different options. Now yours probably does say web for the most part if you haven't changed it just yet. You are going to go to file here, and my option is already here, so I'm going to delete that so you can see exactly how you do this. You add the file, upload from device, or select from Content Studio. So if I do this, this is already in there, so I can already click it. If it wasn't here, then what we would do here is we would just have to upload it from our own computer or wherever we're working from. Very simple that way. Now, if for some reason that does not work, you can also then highlight your text from here. You're going to go up to this link right here, and same thing. So right now it says web. You are then going to hit file, and when you do that, you can then upload from device or select where it was just before. So again, I'm going to go back to web, and very simple, straightforward. Now, if you wanted to, you can obviously link it to an email, phone, different file, survey, landing page. So again, when people click on this, this will send them into different locations. This is very nice in utilizing your website, your newsletter, your email address, because like I said, this can really drive your business by having this. So again, when this gets sent to them, they will then get sent this email that will have actually its own web page that they can download from or just read from the website itself. Mailchimp definitely offers this for you. There are different websites you could use, but like I said, Mailchimp makes it very easy for you to do this all for free. And again, very simple. I'm just going to hit save and return so that we know exactly how it's working. And what we will do, I'll show you in just a second here, where you then go into our automations. And what we're going to add here now is when someone does sign in, gives your email, you are going to have this now go to them. So again, immediately when they come in and they offer something, they will get this sent right away. And you can add tags if you wanted to. I can show you how to do that as well. But because they just put in their information, and I already did put a tag for this, so the tag was the copyright PDF, they will then get this email sent to them and then they'll kick them out, but we still have their email, so then we can add them to a different funnel to offer them different things. So I think this was a fairly straightforward type of offer. And like again, if you have any questions, obviously feel free to comment down below. I'm more than happy to help. This whole channel is meant to help you grow your business on social media and help drive business to you, whether that's online or in store. Anyway, you definitely have to have a presence online, and I'm here to help you. So again, if you did enjoy this content, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.